Today, OnePlus took the wraps off its new flagship, the OnePlus 15. The device will launch today in China, and we expect a global unveiling later in November. The phone packs the latest Snapdragon processor and a 165 Hz screen, as well as a massive battery. Let's dive in. The flagship proper gets a new design. The OnePlus 15 is now all flat, ditching the quad curved display. Thank God. The screen is entirely different too, no longer a 6.82-inch QHD 120Hz unit, but a 6.78-inch Full HD plus 165 Hz one. It's a newer X3 panel. The bezels are even smaller at 1.15 millimeters on all four sides. This makes the OnePlus 15 overall smaller than its predecessor. The camera system has changed too. First off, it's no longer a collaboration with Hasselblad and now uses Oppo's Lumo imaging system. The main camera is still a 50 megapixel unit, but with a smaller sensor, 1.56 versus 1.4, and the OnePlus 15's periscope telephoto camera will offer 3 times optical zoom, and the main camera will be able to shoot 4K at 120 frames per second with Dolby Video. The third and final camera is a 50 megapixel sensor as well. There's a 32 megapixel selfie camera sensor up front. The latest flagship has the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip. A key upgrade over the OnePlus 13 is the new massive 7,300 milliamps per hour battery. It also bumps up charging to 120 watts wired and 50 watts wireless. That's right. This new OnePlus 15 will charge faster wireless than most all other phones charging wired. The OnePlus 15 will go on sale tomorrow, Tuesday, October 28th, through the OnePlus website. It's available in absolute black, misty purple, and sand dune. As the OnePlus 15's China launch approached, the company continued to drop new teasers, and the launch today highlighted the upgrades to the phone's cooling system and gaming performance. The OnePlus 15 will offer an improved Glacier cooling system that will include a larger vapor chamber with its walls made from tearable steel for better heat dissipation. This also makes the structure thinner, which creates more space inside the phone. OnePlus is using a new Glacier supercritical aerogel for thermal insulation, which allows the phone's exterior to remain cooler for longer while gaming. The phone will also offer improved bypass charging, a new network chip for better cellular and Wi-Fi connectivity, and a new display chip for better touch synchronization, which is what helps the display push past the standard 120 Hz refresh rate to 165 Hz refresh rate. No word on pricing yet. However, it should be available for the same price as last year's OnePlus 13 flagship device. OnePlus also announced the next major release of its software, Oxygen OS 16, based on Android 16. This latest release focuses on AI features, improved fluidity, broader connectivity, and more customization. Oxygen OS 16 carries over many of the OnePlus AI features included with Oxygen OS 15, with some improvements as well as some brand new ones. Mindspace has been updated with Google Gemini integration, so you can now have Gemini search for content within Mindspace or use it to, say, create itineraries. Mindspace also gets voice note functionality as well as the ability to create smart collections. New for this year is the AI Writer feature, which can help produce creative text based on a prompt or proofread and alter existing text in almost any app. AI Recorder can record sessions and automatically transcribe them while also identifying the speakers. There are also new AI features in the Gallery app that can adjust the lighting on your face in portrait shots, as well as fix expressions and closed eyes using previous photos. Outside of the AI features, Oxygen OS 16 also improves upon the fluidity of the UI. The parallel processing feature introduced with Oxygen OS 15 now works across many more parts of the UI, making the entire experience smoother and more responsive. The lock screen gets several more customizability options with new clock views, widgets, as well as live photo and video support. and the home screen gets customizable icon sizes that can now have additional functionality within them for quick access. OnePlus is also improving cross-platform connectivity. You can now share across your phone and tablet, while also being able to access your data from a Mac or PC. OnePlus is also adding support for Apple Watch, where owners can access notifications, messages, calls, and more from Apple's device. If you are a OnePlus tablet user, expect improved multitasking as well as the same customizable home and lock screen experiences as on the phone. OnePlus is currently opening up the Oxygen OS 16 beta program to those who would like to try it early. For stable releases, check the image on screen. We plan on buying a global version of this device, so if you are interested in this device, subscribe to the channel for further coverage. Don't forget to check out eSIMstudios.store, my site for all your technology clothing needs.